Hey there, Prairie Plant Girl here. Well, if you saw my video just a couple of days ago, you'll see that I had just pulled the potatoes out of this planting bed here. So I still have a little bit of cucumbers growing up a trellis, but I also had sangre and violet queen potatoes in this bed. I pulled them all out a little earlier than I normally would pull my potatoes out, but I'd found one that had pretty significant chewing on it from, I can only assume, a vole or a mouse or something. So I pulled up the rest of the bed just to see what was going on. And I never found any more damaged potatoes. So I'm thinking whatever it was moved on from this space, and I suspect went down to my other beds where there's actually some visible holes in the soil. But I thought since I had this bed open, I would give a go at getting some fall crops going. It's a little bit late. I'm in Saskatchewan, Canada. My average last frost is September 14th, and it is currently, I don't know, we have, I think, a week left. What is it, August 24th, I think, today. So not a lot of time before my average first frost, but I do have everything I planted here should be fairly cold tolerant. And usually, even when we're getting those light frosts in the early fall or late summer, we usually still have a lot of very nice warm weather, at least until the end of September during the days. So I'm thinking I should be able to get something going here. Everything I planted is a maturity date of, I think, something between like 40 and 65 days. So obviously the 65-day things are pushing it quite a bit. And some of those are things like cauliflower and broccoli and cabbage, which generally those maturity dates mean from planting out about a month-old seedling, which of course I didn't plan ahead for, because why would I be organized like that in the fall? So I just thought I'd plant these in here, see what happens. Things do tend to grow faster when it's hot out like this, so I might get a little bit of a faster germination and growth starting with these plants than I would if I was starting in the spring. So it's worth a try, I thought. There are a lot of cabbage moth butterflies out, and flea beetles, and you name it, lots of grasshoppers. So I've put some netting hoops over top just to try and deter as many pests from chewing on any new seedlings as I can. Probably won't keep the flea beetles out. Nothing seems to keep them out. But I thought I'd give it a go. And I planted just one of each variety except for the bok choy, and I planted some spinach as well. Those have a few extra plants of each of those, but otherwise it was one of each variety, and I just put it at an emitter plug for my drip water system. we'll see what happens with this, whether I wind up getting anything out of it. But I thought for the few seeds that it was going to take and the few minutes that it's going to take, it was worth just kind of playing around with, since I had this basically empty bed to work with here. You never know. Sometimes we have warm weather right through October, so you just never know here. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.